Vibe Voice 7B is the best local text-to-speech that I've ever tried, hands down. So it's a high bar, but I'll show one example that I saved, fortunately, and then we'll talk a little bit about Vibe Voice, and then after, we're just going to be running some examples and trying some new things out. So
you've come at last. For 5,000 years I have been awaiting this moment. Foe after foe after foe, each stronger than the last, yet I still stand, bested by none. Prepare yourself, for I will not hold back.
So that's just one example. I used Godfrey from Elden Ring, and so it's a very unstable model. So it's not for production, it's not for real-time usage, but I think for the type of emotional expression that it's capable of doing, and some other stuff, I've really never seen it locally. So here is Vibe Voice. Some quick context: Vibe Voice was actually taken down by Microsoft themselves a little bit last week, and it just recently got pushed back up without any of the code because of safety concerns by Microsoft's team. Here you can see it's here. So yes, people were getting a 404 sometime earlier last week. Luckily or unluckily, they released it as MIT. So everything they released was under MIT. As far as I know, you can't take that back once you release something under a license. I'm not a lawyer, so I don't know. So there are a bunch of forks and clones of all of the models and all of the code that was released. I even have a GitHub repository here where you can see that all of the code exists here. And then I also have it on Hugging Face. So 7B. I've got one cloned up here. No README, but all of the files exist here. So yeah, everything exists and works. That's the good thing. So a little bit of Vibe Voice. All right, so we're gonna jump into some generations. My observations, like I said a little bit earlier, is that the model is very expressive and you can get it to do very high quality sounding audio, very expressive audio. But like I said, it's very unstable. So what I mean by unstable is sometimes you get weird sounds inside of there. You might get artifacts. Some generations sound awesome, and so those would be the ones you'd have to generate for, but off of a zero shot you might get some issues. So if we just take that Godfrey voice from earlier that I was testing out with, and then I don't know, we're gonna create a quick conversation script. Let's try to make it epic. Okay, so I'm no creative writer, but I just cobble this up real quick, and we're gonna go and generate a podcast for this. So we'll wait till it finishes, and then I'll show you guys just the zero shot generation of it.
At long last, you finally come. 500 years, 500 long years have I awaited this moment to challenge someone as worthy as yourself. Now tell me, will it have been worth the wait?
So there you can tell there's a bunch of stuff happening in that audio that isn't just the speech. So that's what I was saying is the model is unstable. And so what I would have to do is change the seed, do a generation, change the seed again, do another generation, and repeat that until I get something that sounds good. So let me do that and I'll be right back.
At long last, you've finally come. 500 years. 500 long years have I awaited this moment to challenge someone as worthy as yourself. Now tell me, will it have been worth the wait?
Right, so that one was very much more coherent. I'd still probably try to go for another generation to get this to exaggerate in specific areas a little bit more, but then I'm just guessing and checking. But that is kind of what's happening here. The level, the ceiling for the output quality is the highest that I've seen any of these local models. But like I said, that stability is really lacking. So you might be wondering, can it use other different types of voices other than epic bosses from Elden Ring? Yes, you can use all different types of voices. I've tried like these ASMR Japanese voices, it works. I've tried anime voices, it works. ASMR works. French people works. I've even tried, what genre starts with H and ends in I. I've tried this. I can't show you guys that on YouTube, unfortunately, but that actually works in Japanese. I've tried VTubers, so what should we try here? We'll try some Japanese. So the other thing is that this model is able to generate in other languages if the conditioning, if the reference audio that you condition it on is in that language. So for example, this is actually in Japanese here, and I'll be able to generate some sentences in Japanese. Now, it's not supposed to be able to do Japanese. They only confirmed English and Chinese, but their dataset must have been very large because it does Japanese very well.
さてさて、あなたの立場ですが本当にわかりません。なので、判断は見心に沿うことと手だらくとするのです。
If you guys aren't familiar with Petelagoose, he's from an anime called ReZero. He's this crazy guy on screen. He's very creepy and kind of has that sound to his voice.
おお、おや、あなたも愛の信徒。そうですね。あなたは愛に準じ己の宿命に抗ったのです。
So there's another one in Japanese. The voice behind that just sounds so good to me. And we can try. Oh, there's this other interesting thing. For example, if I have a piano in here, I'll generate a podcast. It's simply just going to, create some piano music. So I'll show you guys this real quick.
おや、あなたも愛の信徒。そうですね。あなたは愛に準じ、己の宿命に抗ったのです。
So there you go. We had some piano, and then we had some Japanese dude coming at the end to say the sentence. So that was very interesting. And I don't know what their data set must have looked like, but it must have been huge and encompassed way more than just English and Japanese, English and Chinese. Yeah, we could even let's pull up Alma from Monster Hunter Wild.
The guild does not authorize you to slay that monster. Please continue onwards to the mission we have at hand. Hey, must I tell you again? The guild does not authorize you to slay that monster. If you continue attacking it, your hunting license may be revoked.
Okay, so that was not what I was intending, but that was an interesting generation for this sentence. The reference audio sounds like this.
Flesh rots, carrion feeds the scavengers, and the bones remain. All part of the cycle of life.
So that's the reference sample. So I don't know what happened with that last one, but we're gonna continue running until I get one that I like, and then I'll show you guys a finished example here.
The guild does not authorize you to slay that monster. Please continue onwards to the mission we have at hand. Hey! Must I tell you again? The guild does not authorize you to slay that monster. If you continue attacking it, your hunting license may be revoked.
Okay, so this was actually, I think 1 or 2 generations after, and this one wasn't too bad. So, like I said, we could keep rolling the dice to get a better and better one, but I want to move on to another example and try that out.
I'm not strong enough yet. If you guys could just hold him off a little longer, that'll give me the time to power up and defeat him.
Okay, well, that didn't sound like Goku, so that's the next speaker that I'm trying out here. But that one was pretty funny.
I'm not strong enough yet. If you guys could just hold him off a little longer, That'll give me the time to power up and defeat him.
Okay, so that one was a little bit better. So seed 5 for that one and got it going. All right, so last example here, probably a little long, but multi-speaker dialogue here. We've got 2 video game characters right here, Lune Gustav, and then a kind of like an argument generated by ChatGPT. So we'll go ahead and take a listen to it. It's 2 minutes, so.
Then why do you keep letting all that money go to waste?
I've told you 100 times already. It's not waste. It's for us. To keep this household running.
Ugh.
I know it looks reckless sometimes, but I'm not just spending for fun. I'm not a banker. I'm not an accountant. I'm just doing my best. Even if the receipts pile up. Even if it looks bad. I'm still trying to hold everything together for both of us.
That's ridiculous. You kept saying we'd save, but you're still spending. How can I believe you? I didn't plan well is not a real excuse.
I never said it was easy. I work myself raw trying to keep money coming in. I'm exhausted, but I keep going because I want us to be okay.
Ha! I never asked you to push yourself like that. You just do whatever you want without even thinking about how I feel.
You're right. I don't stop to think about it enough. All I can see is the pressure of the next rent payment, the next bill.
Don't talk to me like I'm some child. Why do you keep breaking promises? You said we'd save together. Why can't you keep that? Is it because you really don't want to share finances with me?
No! I want us in this together. I don't want to push you away.
Liar!
I'm not lying. Everything I'm doing for us, for this family.
Then why is our bank account already in the red?
I can't say.
Can't say? That's rich. Perfect answer for someone who just does everything for the family.
Don't twist my words. You think I want to see the account in the red? You think I enjoy lying awake at night wondering if we'll make it through the month?
Oh, so now you're the martyr? Working yourself to death while I'm just some freeloader, right? Go ahead, say it. That's what you're thinking anyway.
Stop it. That's not what I said.
No, but that's what you mean. Every sigh, every glare at the bills, you're screaming it without saying it.
And what about you? Acting like saving money is just some magic switch we flip on. Like it's that easy.
Maybe it's not easy, but it's supposed to be simple. We make a promise, we keep it, that's all. But you break it every single time.
I didn't want you to see me failing.
So there we go. That is a dynamic speaker dialogue between 2 characters. And the reference audios for this, they do have the speakers in kind of more of a heated, I guess, tone. So it helps to add to the immersion here. So I think that's actually pretty good. It's not too bad. Way better than any other type of text-to-speech that I've seen. I guess I should note that Vibe Voice apparently can generate up to 90-minute long audio samples. I've never tried it myself, but this is 2 minutes long here of a continual sequence, so I believe it's pretty true. So yeah, that is going to be it for today. I am going to be following up with an installation video. I just needed to tie up some loose ends, and I just finished reviewing it, so installation video will probably come shortly. But yeah, once again, I'd like to thank all of the members of the channel for supporting me. I very much appreciate it, and I will see all you guys later.